Hey, I'm Bryson with Trick Tools, and I'm going to give you guys a quick demonstration on the 3 different grasshopper weld positioners that we offer by Strong Hand Tools. We offer small and large versions of the magnetic grasshopper, and a few of the cool features about these are the adjustable length spring-loaded arm that can be pivoted 360 degrees around the magnetic base. Another cool feature about the magnetic base is the swivel foot pads that allow the grasshopper to be attached to flat and contoured surfaces. The standard grasshopper model uses its own weight to hold your part in various positions. It also has a spring clip which can be moved to hold different types of material as well. The arms are both adjustable on this model, and it also has an independent ground strap that can be bolted to the table or the part that you're working on. One thing that comes standard on every grasshopper model is these non-sparking brass tips to keep your part grounded. Now that I've showed you all the features of these 3 different weld positioners, let me show you how they work. For more information on these grasshopper weld positioners, give us a call or visit Trick-Tools.com.